Hello student, welcome to the next video of Business Studies class 12 and now as we have already started lesson 11 marketing management. So now today's topic is marketing management philosophies. So let's see what is the meaning of philosophies means how market management was introduced, what was the basis of finding out the aim of marketing. So let's see the types of marketing management philosophy, and this marketing management philosophy student, it is also known as the concepts. Okay, so there are basically 5 concepts of marketing management. So marketing concept or philosophies holds that a key to achieving organizational goal consists in determining the needs and want of target market and delivering the desired satisfaction more efficiently and effectively by competitors. So as means this, we have already understood that the producer, they used to produce the produce the goods according to the needs and wants of the consumer, and they try to satisfy their customer more efficiently rather than their competitors. So let's see the marketing management philosophies or the concepts. So they are as production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal concept. So let's see in detail about all these 5 concepts. So they are the production concept. So this philosophy is based on the belief that consumers favor those products which are widely available at lower prices. And the main focus of this production concept is large scale production to decrease the cost. So student, as the name suggests, production. So here the producers, they believe that if they are producing on large scale, so what will happen when one is producing on large scale? Definitely the cost will decrease because of this large scale production. So they focus on the production of large scale, and this is one of the oldest concept where the company, they believe to maximize the profit by producing more, and they think that the customer will favor those products which are easily available and are of low price. And how the products are easily available? Definitely when they are produced in large quantity, and when the products are produced in large quantity, then their price will be low because of large scale production. But student, there is one drawback of this concept also, that customers don't always buy products which are inexpensive and are easily available, isn't it? Means their focus may change also. Then comes your product concept. According to this concept, the firms focusing on this concept make products of high quality rather than quantity. So the main focus is good quality added features in product. Means the firm who believe in this concept, they produce the product which are of high quality and with extra features in their product. Means the company believe in manufacturing the products of superior quality, and now the focus is on quality of the product, but they must keep in mind that the customer will buy the high quality only when they are in need of that product, or when they want it. Okay, like suppose if I will give you an example. Like suppose there is the firm is making high quality hair dye. Okay, but the customer only will demand when they have gray hair. So this is the drawback of this concept, that the customer will only demand it when they are in need of such product. Then comes your selling concept. By the name again itself, it is clear. Selling concept means the focus is on selling, means to sell whatever is produced by using intensive promotional techniques. So the firm following this concept believe that in order to make customer buy a product, customers need to be convinced by taking aggressive selling and promotional effort. Means the focus is mainly on the promotion of the product. Means as much as the promotion, the more aggressively the promotion is done, you will the firm, they think that they will convince the consumer by giving the promotional effort. They will convince the consumer to purchase the product. So therefore it is said that here the main focus was convincing the consumer and focus on sell whatever is produced by using intensive promotional technique. With this concept, the firm make customer buy something even the customer has no intention of buying it. Means sometimes even with us it happens that we go to the market and because of the seller they means by giving you all the telling you all the qualities of the product they convince you to buy the product. But this is again not going to happen all the time. Okay, means they do not try to in such kind of selling concept, the firm they do not try to find out the need of the customer, but they concentrate on requirement of producers and sell whatever is produced by hook or by crook. But by this you can convince the customer once but not many times. Means from the next time if you find the shopkeeper is inducing you to purchase the some product by convincing you, definitely you are not going to go to that shop from next time, isn't it? So this is the focus of selling concept, to sell whatever is produced by intensive promotional techniques. Then comes your marketing concept. It begins with finding what the consumers want and thus satisfy consumers and profit and make profit out of that. So the main focus is customer satisfaction, and means nowadays this marketing concept is used. So student, as we have already studied about the marketing, like the pillars of marketing concept, that first what one need, they need to identify the customers in the target market, then they try to find out their needs and the wants of that particular customer, then they try to satisfy their customer with their product, and they want to satisfy the customer by by their better rather than their competitor, and to do all these things for profit. Means the main objective is profit maximization. So this concept, it says that the product should be designed and produced keeping in mind the need of the customer and try to satisfy the customer better than their competitor. Clear? So this is marketing concept which the firm they are adopting nowadays. Then comes your social marketing concept or societal concept also. So under this concept, customer satisfaction is supplemented by social welfare. So the main focus is customer satisfaction within ethical and ecological boundaries of our society. Means yes, customer satisfaction is a must, but it has means some people they have criticism also, that who the some of the customer who cares for the society, who care for the environment, they criticize the certain concept. They argue that companies should not only blindly follow the goal of the customer, only means goal is to satisfy the customer need. So some of the customer they say that the company should not follow blindly whatever the customer want. Okay, but like suppose some of the products they are harmful effects on the environment, so they should not be supplied just because the customer require it. So therefore the customer satisfaction must be within the ethical ecological aspects of our society. Okay, means suppose customer they want to have drug, so to satisfy the customer the firm should not supply him drug. This is what the societal marketing concept or the social marketing concept says. So student, this is all about the marketing management philosophies or the concept, and hope you like the video. So please do like, share and subscribe the video, and in case of any doubt you can ask me through comment box. So thank you and take care.